Do you also have that one annoying acquaintance who is a total idiot, but already has a luxury house, a fancy car, posts travel pics every day, and has at least a 7-figure bank account? What the f? Hey, I'm Agatha, an 8-year trading veteran, founder of an international trading community for beginners, and a regular guest on live trading broadcasts. And well, here is what my account looks like for 2024. Do you want to keep envying that acquaintance? Then go ahead and turn off this video. But if you want to outshine them and be truly happy, just stay for 10 minutes and I'll show you a proven way to achieve stable financial growth without any trading experience. All you need is your phone and 30 minutes a day. I'll give you my greatest and most understandable trading strategy, that one that helped me achieve success. Watch until the end and follow each step carefully. These 10 minutes will transform your life forever. Look, this is a screenshot of what we achieved yesterday during a live session, all thanks to the trading ideas I shared in my trader community. And you know what's most exciting? Many of my subscribers are complete beginners, and these are their first big results. I'm so happy for them. And you can join my community today. I host live trading sessions and all participants have to do is follow my moves. No cramming, no complicated charts, no advanced technical analysis, just real proven strategies. If you need proof, it's right here in front of you. These are actual testimonials from members of my community. Now you just have to decide. Will you watch this video and then go back to your usual life and job, or will you start taking action right now? The link to my trader community is in the description below. Join now, free access won't last forever. See you in the next session. As you can see, I've already prepared a bit by leaving only 4 in my account. That's what we will start our trading with. First, let's select a few currency pairs with high percentages and add them to the quick access panel for more convenient switching between them. So we will keep New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and add Australian dollar and US dollar and Bangladeshi taka. Done. Now the most important part, indicators. Today I'll be using the RSI indicator. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. We will keep the default settings, just slightly increase the line thickness. RSI helps determine who currently dominates the market, buyers or sellers, and helps us find the optimal entry point. And lastly, let's check the trade duration. 1 minute. That's it. We are ready to analyze and trade. The first pair will be US dollar and Bangladeshi taka. Entering a trade up. Looking at the chart, the price has approached a local support level. RSI is already near its lower boundary, indicating market oversold conditions. So it makes sense to assume that the price will bounce off the support level and move up. My assumption was correct. Let's keep going. Next pair, an Australian and an American. Changing this value to 7. The chart shows that the price has broken through a local resistance level and is moving up. A strong uptrend has begun, pressing up with confidence. The trade closed in our favor. Well, let's keep going. Now it's time for a New Zealander and Canadian. Adjusting the value again. Now let's see what the chart suggests. The price tested the resistance level, bounced off it and moved downward. In such moments, it's better to follow the trend, so we press down. Perfect! Once again, my technical analysis was correct. Can't complain about that. Moving on. Let's check US dollar and Bangladeshi taka again. Setting a new value of 27. The situation is similar to what we encountered in trade 2. The price reached a support level, bounced off it, and started moving higher. So we press the green up button. Awesome! So far nothing complicated. Small steps toward the goal. If you ever wondered, how do I start trading on financial markets the right way? Or what if the market suddenly changed direction? We break down every step of the process in my trader community. You heard about it at the beginning of this video, but now I want to highlight something important. In my community, we don't just study theory, we go over every action in detail. Why we choose a specific asset, why we trade at a certain time. Beginners gain both practical experience and a real understanding of how the market works. I host live sessions regularly where I explain everything clearly and personally, answer all participants' questions. Most importantly, you get access to my proven strategies, the ones I use consistently. Everything is explained in the simplest way as possible, even if you are starting from zero. If you want to stay ahead and trade with guidance and support instead of trying to figure it all out on your own, the link to my trader community is in the description. Join now and see how this can completely transform your approach. Now, let's get back to our topic. And before we continue, I want to remind you that trading carries risks and profits are never guaranteed. Back to an Australian and an American. Adjusting to a new value. Now, looking at the chart, we see a very strong upward movement. There are no reversal patterns on the chart. After a small pullback, the uptrend should continue, so we press up. Thanks to proper technical analysis, we've reached 100. I'd call that a small victory. Let's see what happened next. Back to a New Zealander and a Canadian, changing the value to 100. The downtrend continues after a correction, and there are no reversal patterns. We still have time before the next correction, so let's enter down quickly. Whoa, that's what nerve-wracking, but the result is definitely satisfying. I'll try to take fewer risks going forward. US dollar and Bangladeshi taka again, adjusting the value. Here, the price tested the support level and entered a small lateral movement. We also see a green candle with a long lower wick, indicating strong buyer pressure pushing the price up. The RSI indicator is roughly in the middle, meaning there is room for further growth. For me, it's obvious. Upward movement is likely, so we press up. My analysis was spot on again. Look at that big gap between the opening and closing prices. You couldn't ask for a clearer setup. Let's go further. An Australian and an American this time. Setting the maximum value. Looking at the chart, we have a strong uptrend with a slight correction. Since local lows haven't been broken during the correction, the uptrend is likely to continue, so we press up. It feels great to be right again. The result 719. Not bad, but we can do better. A New Zealander and a Canadian, setting a new value of 720. The price tested the support level, bounced off it, and moved higher. The RSI indicator dipped into the oversold zone and quickly rebounded, confirming strong buyer activity, pushing the price upward. So we follow the trend and press up. Awesome! The result is great. And remember, we started with just 4. I think I'll do a couple more trades and call it a day. Back to US dollar and Bangladeshi taka, adjusting the value to 1,375. After our last trade on this pair, the price reached a resistance level and then reversed. The RSI indicator hit the overbought zone during the upward impulse and then bounced downward, further confirming that buyers have lost strength and the downtrend will continue, at least until the next support level. So we press down. 2,612 in the back. That was an amazing trading session. Let's do one final trade to lock in the results. Switching to an Australian and an American. The chart shows that the price reached a previous low, and this area is now acting as a support level. Buyers won't want the price to drop lower, otherwise the trend could reverse. The RSI indicator has also changed direction and is heading toward the overbought zone. So we are going up. Perfect! Our final result today is more than 5,000. Using technical analysis with the RSI indicator works wonders. Amazing! That's how I trade. Minimum time, maximum efficiency. You've seen examples of complete beginners making their first profit just by copying my trading ideas. Want to know how? The truth is, it's not complicated at all. All you need is a step-by-step system and support from the right mentor. My trading community is where people transform their daily routine, and my goal is to help every beginner succeed in trading. Here's what you will find inside my community. First, ready-to-use trading ideas with clear instructions. Just copy and apply them to your trades. Second, proven strategies that I've developed over years of experience. Third, personal support. If you have any questions or need help, I'm here to guide you. Fourth, a real community. Every trader here started from scratch, but they're already making progress. Just look at what they're saying about my trading community. And all of this is absolutely free. But honestly, I can't guarantee it will stay that way forever. Every week you add is another missed opportunity to transform your life. If you don't want to waste more time, click the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Join right now and let's make 2024 the year of transformation. Keep in mind, even the most effective strategies don't guarantee 100% success. Trading always involves risks.